Yeah, I'm going to share about a vibration of acceptance and where it starts. Like a vibration of acceptance is really something that comes right from the heart, very far away from the head. As soon as we are talking about the head, it's more fear-based and overthinking. And so a vibration of acceptance is that 1-2 steps back and moving into the heart, telling the head you don't know anything. Check in with the heart. And as we are able to really take what this head is giving us and give it to the heart, there's an acceptance of like, I really do not know anything. And inside of that, there is this beautiful willingness to be wrong. And with this beautiful willingness to be wrong, we are able to gain a different perspective on what is apparently happening. So open acceptance is really that 1, 2, 3 steps sometimes back out of the head, out of this fear-based space, into this love space. Call it a new agreement, one that we get to look at and take responsibility for, to say strengthen this agreement with love and let go of that agreement with fear. So open acceptance really allows us to get out of this head space and into this heart space. Once we understand what open acceptance is, it's really easy to apply this method, because in all our madness, crazy idea of who we think we are, this method allows us, like I say, 1, 2, sometimes 3 steps back. And outside of that space where I'm out of this head, this open acceptance method allows me to apply this method to open my heart and to move into this vibration of acceptance. And inside of that, I get to experience the freedom, the happiness, the joy, the love that exists inside of myself right now in this moment. That is the open acceptance method.